Today, we will learn the convention of finding area. Can you tell the area of this shape? Think for a while. Here, we see that the entire area of the figure is not covered by squares of unit distance. In such a situation, a convention helps us to measure the area. Let us understand this and find the area of this shape. Rule 1. The area of a square is taken as one square unit. The unit distance in this shape is 1 centimeter. So here the area of a whole square will be 1 square centimeter. Now let's count the number of whole squares in this figure. We will go from left to right in each row, starting from the top row and counting the number of whole squares. We will do this as shown. In this way, the number of whole squares in the shape is 9. Since the area of an entire square is 1 square centimeter, we can say that the area enclosed by the whole squares is 9 into 1 square centimeter, which is equal to 9 square centimeters. Rule 2. If less than half of a square lies within the shape, then the area of that square is ignored. As we see here, only less than half of each highlighted square lies within the shape. So we will ignore this area. In this way, the area covered by less than half the squares is equal to 0 square centimeter. Rule 3. If more than half of a square lies within the shape, its area is considered to be 1 square centimeter. Here, we have 5 such squares. Therefore, we can say that the area covered by more than half the squares is equal to 5 into 1 square centimeter, which is equal to 5 square centimeters. Rule 4. If exactly half of a square lies within the shape of its area, it is considered to be half a square centimeter. There is a total of 4 such squares here, so the area surrounded by half squares is 4 into half square centimeter, which is equal to 2 square centimeters. In this way, the total area of the shape is 9 square centimeter plus 0 square centimeter plus 5 square centimeters plus 2 square centimeter, which is equal to 16 square centimeters. Now look at this picture. If the area of each square on the square paper shown here is 1 square centimeter, what will be the area of the given shape? Find out for yourself and discuss it with your teacher to find out whether your answer is right or wrong. So today, we learned the convention to find the area.